First step in any type of negotiation or any type of handling objections, number one, I understand. Yeah, I totally understand. If I was in your spot, I'd want to make sure I was getting fair market value for your vehicle, and you are getting fair market value for your vehicle. However, let me ask you, how did you what were you thinking? Well, I was thinking about another $3,000 more. I wanted $13,000 for my trade. I didn't want 10. So we were at 10, he wants to be at 13. Okay, well, you know what? I'm not the person that sets those. My job, like I told you, is to help you find the nicest car for your lifestyle and budget and do it efficiently. So that's what I'm going to make sure I do. However, a management team looked at this as fair market value for your car. If you don't mind me asking, how did you arrive at your $13,000? Okay, so step one, understand. Number two, what were you thinking? Number three, how did you arrive at that figure?
You said that again, my bad.
So number one is, hey, I understand. So you always understand, right? I understand, I understand. Second thing we're going to do is clarify or find out what dollar amount he's talking about. So I already know the objection he already told me, hey, want more for the trade. I understand. Hey, I understand. Obviously, you want to get fair market value for your vehicle. Okay? My management team, that's what their goal is to do, is to get together and give you fair market value for your vehicle. So that's step one. So then you've got to find out or clarify what kind of dollar amount he's talking about. How much more were you thinking for your trade? Well, I was hoping to get $13,000. Oh, okay. Now, a couple things there. You can act shocked, or you can just kind of say, well, I don't know one way or the other. My job is to help you find the nicest car. I'm a product specialist. My job is to help you find the nicest car for your lifestyle and your budget, right? So now we've got him to tell it. So then we say, if you don't mind me asking, how did you arrive at that number? Okay? Because now we want to try to find out, again, how he arrived at it. So how he arrived at it is going to be we're going to use different closes for each time he tells us that.